In this video, we're going to look at how to test your Facebook lead forms with the integration with your automation platform. So the way you use this is a tool called the Lead Ads Testing page, and this is a tool by Facebook, and you can see it here on the screen. There'll be a link to this page under this video. And this video also assumes you've already connected your Facebook page and your Facebook lead form. Okay, there are separate videos on how to do that within the help library here. You can watch those. This is a troubleshooting video in case you think there's a problem with your Facebook leads actually coming into your platform. This is how you test it. Okay, so you go to this page here and you simply, assuming that you've done the work here in your settings, you have check that in your integrations that you do have your Facebook account connected and your page connected. It is the page that is most important, so make sure that the correct page is selected for the appropriate lead form. And then once you've done that, then going into your Facebook form fields mapping area, and then you'll see the list of your forms and make sure it's connected there. Now this one's already connected. If it's not, you won't see an edit button. You'll just see a button to actually create the connection, and then you can map the fields here. Again, that's covered in another video. Assuming you've done those two steps, the final thing that you should have set up is a trigger, so that if I go into my triggers here, this example trigger just here, okay, this is a trigger here that is set to Facebook in what the drop down of the automation is that triggers it, and then Facebook lead form submitted, and then in form and select the appropriate lead form that should be firing, and then whatever triggers that should do. Okay, now regardless of what triggers you've set, it should at least be adding the contact into your system. Okay, and that's what we'll show you just here. So we go back into this testing tool here. You've selected your page, you've selected your form. Now you can only have one test lead, okay? So I'm going to delete my test lead and create a new one. So now I can go create lead, and it creates a lead, all right? So from there, you can go back into, probably give it about 20, 30 seconds, and then you can go back into your platform and you can check that whatever automation is fired there, but at a basic level, simply go into your contacts page. And if you're sorted from most recent by hitting this created button, you should see test lead dummy data for full name and then test at fb.com. And if that is working, then you know that the lead form connection is good. If the appropriate campaigns don't seem to be running, then that's a matter of troubleshooting your actual triggers, which you can do as you saw a moment ago, having a look at that your triggers are actually set correctly. I can actually have a look at this contact here, and we can see that what has happened here. We can see that they've come from our lead form contact created. And we can see they're in a particular campaign, and I can see whatever actions are happening, right? So whatever action is meant to happen for that lead will happen for the dummy data. So this is a great way to test that your Facebook lead forms are not only connected, but they are also triggering the right actions as well.